You searched how to buy shares of Fingermotion Inc. Fingermotion develops compact motion and gesture sensing modules for consumer and industrial devices. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FNGR, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FNGR to find Fingermotion. Make sure you select the FNGR listing on NASDAQ to open the correct company page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ FNGR ticker to ensure it's the correct security. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to try the platform, the link is in the description, and remember, this is educational information only.